Hi viewers, welcome back to Trendy Output YouTube channel. I am going to try Tata Sampann Yumside rich and creamy cheesy pasta with black olive. It is ready to eat. Serve 2 people. This pack net weight is 285 grams. Price 119 rupees. It is available in any supermarket and Amazon. Now open the pack. Now let's start the cooking. Take the large vessel, boil the water and switch off the flame. Shake the pack well without peeling off the tray cover. And put this pack in hot water. Keep it in hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. 5 minutes completed. Remove the tray from hot water. Now peel off the cover. Now add the seasoning sachet. Mix it well.